No.
John, mind your language.
Oh, we're in the servants' quarters because it's where the fucking...
No.
Arthur, find better words.
Oi.
Reason for us to shout at anything.
No biting. No. No.
Incentives no threats. No consequences without specific reference to physical harm.
That's why young Michael is the boss. He knows better words, right, Pop?
Since when was I